name is Korlan. I'm from Kazakhstan, AIDO Education Agency. Yes, I've noticed how digitalization has become popular in the industry of education, how online education is becoming popular, especially after COVID-19. And it's a great opportunity to our students to get education and degree from foreign university while they're in their home country. And also how top-ranked universities opening their campuses in different countries. Actually, we provide full support to our students, but especially we provide career guidance, and also we teach our students how to write motivational letters, how to organize their LinkedIn web pages, and we also don't forget about our students after they start their studies at university, and also accompany them while their first year of study. Fruitful.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.